My name is Finn, and I'm a technical product manager with Formant. Logistics operational teams face a constant stream of issues: robotic equipment failures, obstructions along planned paths, and other common environmental variables. Each incident can trigger a domino effect, slowing down an entire operation. When incidents like these occur, rapid awareness and clear insight are crucial. That's why Formant equips teams with intelligent tools to both detect and understand issues as they happen. Our alarm module ensures their team is alerted to the right problem at exactly the right time, so nothing critical is missed. From there, operators can use powerful data visualization tools to drill down into the incident, analyze key data, and quickly uncover the root cause. Imagine I'm a director of industrial automation at a large global logistics provider. Let's say we're deploying a fleet of robots for sorting, packing, and transporting goods across from regional warehouses. Let's hop into the platform. Right away, I get a prioritized list of alarms across my entire fleet, clearly showing which issues are critical or unassigned and nearing SLA breach versus those already addressed or lower priority. Imagine an alarm signals a device failure. Instantly, a team member claims it. Formant then delivers all essential details: the message, severity, and critical SLA timeline. By prioritizing the right alarms and eliminating noise, we significantly reduce mean time to response and prevent, let's say, 5 SLA breaches per day, hypothetically saving thousands of dollars in penalties each week. Once the details of the alarm are understood, my technician can utilize Formant to drill down into the device, accessing its current state by using Formant's suite of intuitive data visualization tools. The robot's state could include motor torque to identify potential resistance, LiDAR data that may indicate objects blocking the robot's path, or even live video feeds. By utilizing data visualization interfaces, Formant cuts root cause analysis from hours to minutes. So imagine tripling the size of your fleet without the need for additional labor. By routing alarms to the right person with full context, like logs, video, and sensor data, we resolve issues without manual investigation. This reduces the time it takes to resolve the interventions by up to 40%. And hypothetically, at $15 each, that means 5-figure savings each month. By leveraging Formant's alarm management tool, companies deploying robotics can reduce manual interventions, saving thousands in labor costs, reducing downtime, and increasing productivity. If you're interested in learning how you can simplify the complexities of robotic deployments, click the link in the description to learn more. Thanks so much.